Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block the Windows 11 upgrade and remain on Windows 10. And now, let's get started. This video is specifically for those who prefer to continue using Windows 10, regardless of Microsoft's intentions or their machine's upgrade compatibility. The solution is a very straightforward application from Gibson Research Corporation, or GRC, called In Control. To begin, open your web browser and navigate directly to grc.com/incontrol.htm. You can also easily find it by visiting the GRC homepage. Once on the In Control page, locate and select the Download Now option. Save the small executable file to your preferred location, such as your Downloads folder. After the download is complete, simply run the application. There is no installation process required for In Control. When you launch the tool, it will inform you that you are currently not in control. It will also display your current operating system version and release, for example, Windows 10 Release 22H2, typically visible in the lower left corner of the application window. Being not in control suggests your system is susceptible to an unprompted upgrade. To gain control over your upgrade path, click the prominent button within the In Control interface. What In Control accomplishes is it makes a few specific modifications to your system registry. These changes are designed to instruct the operating system not to upgrade past its current state. This means that if any version of Windows newer than your current Windows 10 Release 22H2 becomes available for your machine, your system will be prevented from automatically upgrading to it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.